Back, here it is, Pixel 3 XL. Okay, so before we begin, here it is, Team Pixel, the hashtag. You can use this on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you're using. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow me on there too. I got the white version. There's two versions of this thing. There's a regular version, which is a 5.5 inch display, and the XL version has a 6.3 inch display with that beautiful notch, which I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, we're gonna open it from the sides first. And on this side, nothing at the top. And that's it, so here we go. So right away, fingerprint reader, only one camera. This is a 12.2 megapixel camera, which is apparently the best camera on any smartphone today. Not because of the hardware, but because of the software that's involved with the Pixel 3 XL. So I'm just gonna open this up like that. And I'm just gonna leave this on the side over here. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Now underneath this, you'll get your user manuals. Now inside of this package, you'll get your user manuals as well as your SIM card tool. Okay. That over here, and then here you'll get Google's USB-C earbuds called the Pixel earbuds. I'll test them out for you guys. Give me one quick second, and then let's see what else is in here. It's your usual stuff. You get your USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and then finally you get an adapter for your old headphones to be used with the 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as a converter from a USB-C to USB-A converter. I'll leave that back, give me one sec. And then underneath this we'll get our power brick. It's a very simple power outlet with the USB-C out. You can plug this into your wall outlet, and it's fast charge compatible with the Pixel 3 XL and any Pixel phone. So let's open this up. Really excited to have this on the channel. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 3 XL. I know you've probably heard a lot of negative rumors about this phone in particular. So overall impressions at the back, this is actually all glass, and with that what you get is you get wireless charging. So let's go over to the side. You get your volume rocker as well as your power button, and at the bottom you just get one USB-C port, no headphone jack port, and your SIM card port. At the top is nothing, and on this side, on the left side, it's also nothing. All your buttons are placed on the right side, which is a little bit better in case you don't have big hands. It gets really hard to go from one side to the other. Now it's very simple and easy to use. So let me just power this on. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There it is. Google, powered by Android. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick unboxing. I'm going to be doing a separate video doing a proper setup of this phone. Let me know what you guys think about this phone so far. I'm going to be doing a review as well as my thoughts and impressions of this. Overall, it's a really good device and it feels really light in my hand, and then here you have it, that the notch that everybody is going crazy over. For somebody coming from an iPhone X, I can tell you right now, I don't even notice it that much. So I'll catch you in the next one. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.